Silicon Valley, Bay Area is one of the most expensive places to live in the world. However, a lot of people don't realize there are so many communities like this one where you might have a little commute, but you can buy a single family home for less than $1 million. This one happens to be in Mountain House, in a beautiful neighborhood, good schools, nice family-oriented environment. Let's take a tour. Well, thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a great opportunity. If you have any questions, reach out to me anytime. We'll see you soon.